Want to create children's books that you can sell on Amazon KDP or Etsy, but don't know where to start? Imagine creating an entire educational fact book from just one keyword. Sounds impossible? Meet WonderDeck. The hardest part of publishing isn't writing, it's planning. You have to decide what goes on every page, research interesting facts, organize the content, and then design everything. That's where most creators get stuck. WonderDeck automates nearly all of that. Type in a topic like animals, volcanoes, the solar system, oceans. Within minutes, it creates a structured children's fact book, 150 engaging facts, cover concepts, interior page ideas, ready-to-use AI image prompts. It even supports multiple visual styles, so you can create full-color books or coloring books from the same idea. Whether you're publishing on Amazon KDP, selling printables on Etsy, creating homeschool materials, or building digital products, WonderDeck can save you hours of work. I've placed a link in the description below. Click it to see the full demo and current offer. And if you enjoy discovering AI tools that help you make money online, be sure to subscribe to my next video.